What's up, my friends? A lot of people comment us that it's the start of a new month, and especially Omi holder tell me that what's is the best time to buy, sell, or hold Omi network. So, friends, this video is very special for all of you. If you are a holder of Omi network or another cryptocurrencies, so please watch this video with the end. Friends, in this video, I will show you the live price prediction of Omi network, and after that, we decide that it's the best time to buy, sell, or hold Omi network. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. After that, we'll look the last 2 hour price prediction, and after that, we decide that it's time to buy, sell, or hold Omi network. So please, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and update about any cryptocurrencies. Please don't forget to subscribe. As you can see now on the screen, friends, that is a live price change occur in Omi coin. As you can see here, the price change occur in Omi in the last 1 hour is about positive 18% change occur in the Omi coin in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Omi is about $0.008913 is the high price of Omi in the previous last 1 hour. So friends, let's check it out the last 1 hour chart technical analysis. You can see here analysis of the chart tell us that the previous hours, the previous time of the Omi network is absolutely good, but if we look the currently status of Omi coin, so they are falling down. As you can see here, falling down. It's now currently they are in the false mood. That is last 1 hour price change. Soon the changes are in negative, maybe, but my expectation from Omi network, soon their changes as goes up in a positive. Let's see the last 2 hour price prediction. What's the change goes in the last 2 hour, and after that I will share your my opinion. As oh my goodness, as I told you in the start, as I told you, as you can see here, that's my solution for you. As you can see here, now it's a 1 minute they start explosion. As you can see here, now in the 1 minute, as I told you, and this explode. As you can see here, thank you, congratulations to all the homie holders. As you can see here, the average change in the previous last 2 hour is about positive 2.99% change occur in the previous last 2 hour, and soon there are a 50% change occur, maybe. And the high price of Omi is about $0.008913% chance occur in the last 2 hour, friends. So friends, as I told you in the start of as I read the technical analysis of the chart, so it is clear for all of you that currently they are start pumping. So please, if you are a holder, so please hold it now currently, because as you know, it's explosion time of Omi, so please hold it. And if you want to buy, so it's the best time to buy Omi coin and make a good amount of profit. Please share your opinion about Omi in the comment box, and also remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.